Are you struggling to find the time to make video in your business? It just seems to always get pushed down the to-do list. You just never get around to making that video. You know, if you could find the time to make the videos, it would make a huge difference in your business. But other things always seem to take priority for some reason. I'm gonna share with you 3 ways that you can save time while making your videos. Plus, make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end because I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite bonus tools that saves me so much time. Welcome back, Holly G's VIPs. This is Video Made Easy with Holly G, your go-to video gal. I help leading ladies save time on both sides of the camera, and I do this by teaching them how to create business cinema, which is video with a plan, purpose, system, and a strategy. The first thing you're gonna wanna do when it comes to saving time in your video creation process is planning. Planning is 60 to 65% of the process. And this is where I see a lot of people making a huge mistake. They decide that they're gonna make video and then they just go run off and make videos, but there's really no plan. There's no strategy. There may or may not be a purpose behind the video. And that is a huge mistake, and you're gonna waste a ton of time if you do that. Step 1 is make a plan. Understand why you're creating the video. Who is the video for? How does it serve your business? You wanna be clear on all of those things. Planning will save you loads of time. And the second thing is create scripts. So when you're planning, you want to kind of jot down some notes, either an outline or bullet points. I don't necessarily recommend full scripts because what happens is you try to memorize every word of every sentence of the entire script, and then you end up going down this huge rabbit hole where you're like, I can't do it, and you just take after take after take. Been there, done that. The only time I personally use like fully scripted videos is when the video is either for a paid program and I really want to be very particular about the words that I'm using and the order in which I'm using them, because people have paid me money to see this content and I want to make sure I'm delivering 1000%. And the other time that I write full scripts is if I'm creating videos for sales pages or, landing pages or things like that on my website that are promoting something. And I really want to make sure that I nail those scripts as well. So I really want to flesh everything out, literally word for word. I may or may not use it word for word, but I want to have a full, understanding of what I'm trying to do with that video. Whereas when I'm creating this type of content, I will create bullet points or a loose outline so that I can kind of keep myself on track while I'm recording the video and making sure I am delivering value and I'm hitting all of those points that I wanted to make. But I'm also leaving room for spontaneity and for me to just kind of riff and, share my expertise in the way that it just flows out naturally. Then the third thing you want to do is batch record your videos. So now that you've planned and you've written your scripts, or you have your bullet points or your outline, now you can record a bunch of videos. Batchy, save so much time. Batch, save so much time. Listen, I get it. We're all busy. I'm a mom. I have a 19-month-old, and I'm also almost 7 months pregnant. So I don't have time to be creating willy-nilly stuff. Like, I am invested in my business. I'm invested in seeing you succeed, and I don't have time to be messing around. Okay, my bonus tool that I want to share with you is boom. This is a remote control that I use for my camera. Not this camera that I'm recording on right now because I'm recording on my computer, but I have another camera, my Canon 7D, and this remote works for that camera. So when I am using my other studio setup, I can easily start and stop the video. So if I make a mistake and I want to stop recording, all I have to do is just boom, stop, start, record. I don't have to get up. So then I know, I don't have to reset myself. I don't have to fix my hair again. I know everything's good to go, and I can just boom. The other thing that this is great for is I can also use it to take still images, which I then use for my custom thumbnails. So bonus tip plus bonus tip, get a remote, one that is compatible with the camera that you're using, and make sure that you can start and stop your video with it, as well as take stills for your thumbnails. This has been a Video Made Easy tip. If you want to get more tips like that, come on over to hollyjstudios.com and sign up for your Video Made Easy tips. And if you want to learn more about how you can save time on both sides of the camera and create videos with a plan, purpose, system, and strategy, come on over to hollyjstudios.com and check out all the ways to work with me.